You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly. The top word is pronounced hear, which is the verb. When you listen to something, you hear it. You have a very strong H sound, h, at the beginning, and then an E sound. Hear, hear. Alright, can you hear this pronunciation correctly? Hear. The bottom word are the organs that allow you to hear. Ear, one ear or two ears. There's no H sound at the beginning, okay? There's no H at the beginning. Ear. So, top word, the verb to hear, hear. Bottom word, ear. Can you hear the difference between those two pronunciations? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.